garage. And I've got my dad's car. So there's like a huge, gosh, it's gonna be like 12 feet wide. So then you enter in here. And here is the overview. In here we have the laundry room. So my washer and dryer over here. Water heater is in here. And a huge laundry room, which is super nice. So here is the kitchen overview. Love it. This is the door that leads to the garage. We have our pantry in here. And then lots of cabinet space, which is super nice, and more cabinet space over here. All that good stuff. Fridge, and here's a coat closet, which I didn't have at my last place, so I love that. Coat closet. Put some extra like cleaning supplies in there as well. The pantry doesn't really allow for that, or the laundry room too. So I figured that out. So that's actually Allison's bathroom, but it will also double as the guest bathroom since it has like 2 entrances. So here is Allie's bath slash guest bathroom over here. And this leads into the first bedroom in here, which will be Allie's room. But here's just an overview of the guest bathroom. Really love it. You go in here, and here is Allie's little baby room. They just replaced the carpet, which is really nice. So here's her room. And then in here is her walk-in closet. And you go back in here is the living room. So this is where we'll be putting like a desk, and our kitchen table is really small, so it's gonna go here. We also have chairs that we'll put here on the island as an eating area as well. So I'm gonna try to sneak in a desk and then just have like the kitchen table like here with her high chair and stuff. Over here, we're gonna have our couch, and then TV, like fish tank, bookshelf will go here. And then outside, we have like a little private patio area. So I have like really pretty string lights that I'm gonna hang, and there's parking out there, so you can walk in this way as well. So I like that. And then if you come in here, this is actually the master, but the master is pretty much the same size. It's a pretty good sized bedroom. I think it's meant for roommates, but in here is the dual sinks. So that's why I considered this one the master, and we'd want our bathroom more private. But yeah, you got the his and her sink, which is really nice, and kind of our own space. And then bathroom in here as well. And then a really nice walk-in. So lots of room in here. I love that. I'm gonna be able to hang like my hats and stuff and put extra heels here. I have like an organizing thing for heels. So it's gonna look really good. Really excited. This is a nice size bathroom. Kind of an overview. So just come back in here. And that's pretty much it, y'all. That's actually like the front door. So that's our entrance from the garage, and then we can enter in that way as well. So there's 3 entrances. All in all, this is it.